What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to give you a 4-month update on the coilovers from Max Speeding Rods that I have installed on this Nissan 350Z. For those that have not watched the unboxing and installation of those coilovers on this 350Z, I will leave a link in the video description so that you guys can check it out. So these coilovers are called the T6 coilovers, and they have a different color altogether. So they're black with blue, like a baby blue color, and they have a new price tag of around $470 or so. So about 500 bucks after taxes. One of the questions that I get asked the most is what coilovers I recommend for a budget, and I would probably say Max Speeding Rods are on top as far as budget goes, and the ride quality of the coilovers is way better than blown out shocks. So I always tell people, if you have blown shocks or worn out suspension, throw on some Max Speeding Rod coilovers and call it a day. They're gonna get the job done. And I personally have only been using Max Speeding Rod coilovers on my vehicles. One, because they sponsor my videos, and two, they're pretty affordable. And if you think about, affordability, you can buy maybe 2 or 3 sets of these and still be cheaper than what you can get like BC coilovers. So that is one way to look at it. A lot of people say you get what you pay for, and that is true in a lot of cases. But these coilovers are gonna last at least a year or so. Not saying that they won't last a year, but that's just a way of looking at it. That's the way I look at it myself. They're not gonna go out in 1 year. So that is a way that I justify kind of spending the money for these coilovers. This is the ride height that I have currently. It's not too low. I have the rear pretty much the same. It's just that it looks a little bit less lowered because of the tire, but they're pretty much an even drop. These coilovers are adjustable as far as the dampening goes, and I currently have everything set up around 20 clicks. That's in the front and in the rear. And as you guys can see, I'm not too low. Personally, I wouldn't go any lower just because you are gonna have issues with rubbing the fender and just bottoming out. And maybe because I'm getting older, I'm not into that anymore. And obviously there is more adjustments that you can make to make the vehicle a lot lower. But personally, for me, I am not going to do that. So right now we're going over some speed bumps, and I don't know if you guys can see, it doesn't really move all too much in here. There's not a lot of body roll. Like, it handles pretty good actually. It's not too bad. I don't feel like the handling is bad at all. I mean, I'm going pretty fast right now, and I'm not really jumping around. With that being said, I want to give a shout out to Max Speeding Rods for continuing to support the channel. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to install these coilovers for yourselves and you guys want a good video showing you guys how it's done, click the video in the video description below. And also take advantage of that discount code that will be there as well, so you can get 10% off your purchase. With that being said, I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace out.